There can be several reasons why you might consider reinstalling Microsoft Edge-like performance issues. If you're experiencing significant performance problems with Microsoft Edge, such as slow loading times, frequent crashes, or unresponsive behavior, reinstalling the browser may help resolve these issues. Reinstalling can sometimes fix corrupted files or conflicts with other software. So follow the steps of this video to learn how to reinstall Microsoft Edge in a quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.